Realtors, stop being lazy. There are so many occasions I had listing appointments where I've talked to sellers, which I had other agents, and they came up with some more excuses for them not to do work. One of them I heard is, open houses don't work, so that's why I'm not doing them. Really? Turns out the agent just didn't want to do them, didn't want to spend her weekend on doing their open houses. That's fine. There's other people in your office that can do them. You don't just do an open house because you don't want to. Open houses work. Absolutely, they work, especially the first couple of weeks that you have a new listing. You should be doing open houses. I've heard other realtors not follow up for feedback of a listing. I get sometimes you get so busy, like I get it, but have something else set in place. Have an email, try to follow up. Again, not all agents respond to feedback, and I get that, but it doesn't mean you don't call or try to find out some feedback for your clients. And obviously there's this other situation where we have offer situations where there's bidding wars, and sometimes we get multiple offers. I remember one time I had 26 offers, and I had all the agents call me and say, "How many agents are you calling back?" I said, "Everyone who offered." They're like, "What?" I'm like, "You're not just gonna take the top 3? Absolutely not. In my experience, what I found, sometimes the lowest offer, they just wanted to feel out the market, and then they came up and they were one of the stronger ones at the end. So yeah, don't be lazy. It may be time consuming, but that's part of your job. Do your job. Don't be lazy.